Hello, today we will guide you through how to take video screenshots in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device and make sure you are in the editing workspace. This is where you'll be able to preview your video and choose the exact frame you want to save as an image. If CapCut takes a moment to load, just wait until the main editor is fully visible before moving on. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This places the video into your project so you can scrub through it and capture a screenshot from the exact moment you need. The timeline is important because it gives you control over where the playhead is positioned and helps you work more precisely. Once your video is in place, move your mouse over the video frames in the timeline and look for the sample scene you want to capture. Take your time here because the quality of your screenshot depends on selecting the right moment. If you're trying to capture a clear subject, it helps to choose a frame where motion is minimal and the image looks sharp in the preview. When you find the frame you want, click on that frame to select it. This tells CapCut exactly which moment you're focusing on. After clicking, check the preview panel to confirm that the displayed image is the one you want to save. It's always a good idea to pause for a second and make sure everything in the frame looks correct before exporting. If you need to adjust the view, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then scroll up or down with your mouse. This helps you zoom in or out for a better look at the frame. It can be especially useful if you want to inspect small details or make sure the frame is centered the way you want. A closer view can help you confirm that you've picked the best possible screenshot. Once you're happy with the view and you've found the best frame, go to the preview area and click the three-line menu at the top right. This menu contains additional options related to the preview and export settings. From there, click Export Still Frames, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. CapCut will guide you through saving the selected frame as an image file. As you go through those prompts, pay attention to the save location and any format options shown on screen so you can easily find your screenshot afterward. And that's it. You've successfully taken a video screenshot in CapCut